Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the e-classes now. I hope you are doing your regular studies at home. Let's continue our lesson in English. The 100 Dresses, Part 1. In our previous class, we have talked about this a little bit about Wanda, a little girl named Wanda who was a police girl, and she was discriminated in the class by her classmates because she was poor and she was a police girl, and even her name was quite different. And the American students, they find it very funny because her name was Wanda Petonsky. It was not very common there in America. So now let us continue what happened. And in our previous class we have talked about she used to sit at the last row among the boys who made a lot of noise, who made the most noise in the class, who used to laugh and talk all the time. If anything funny was said by the teacher, most of the laughter or the roar used to come from the last bench, and even the floors are full of mud. So she used to sit there near the boys at the last row. Why did she sit there? Let's talk about it. Wanda, there are altogether 7 points. We'll go one by one. Wanda did not sit there in the last row because she was rough and noisy. Because at the last row, rough boys, noisy boys, talkative boys or student used to, especially the boys, used to sit there. And Wanda also used to go there, sit there. Why? Because she was rough and noisy? No. Because other girls, other students did not allow her to sit in front. That may be the main reason. Because they used to discriminate her, make fun of her all the time. So, but she was always quiet. She never spoke. She always remained quiet in the class and rarely said anything. Rarely means hardly. He hardly spoke. He hardly said anything. Nobody had ever heard her laugh. Nobody heard her laughing. Nobody had seen her laughing. She hardly spoke in the class. She never talked. She remained quiet and calm all the time. Number 2. Nobody knew exactly why Wanda sat there in the class. Nobody knew exactly why Wanda sat there in the last row. We know it because we are studying. But the students of the class, they did not know why she sat there in the class. Maybe because she came from all the way from Bogins Heights. Maybe she came from the Bogin Heights, from the hills, where the roads are dusty and her feet is caked with dust, dry mud. So maybe because she came from all the way from Bogins Heights and her feet were usually, most of the time, caked with dry mud. Maybe that was the reason. But that is not the only reason, I think. She may be disliked by her classmates, or maybe they did not allow her to sit in front because they used to make fun of her all the time. She was poor and she is not an American girl, she was a police girl, and even her name was different. So naturally she felt it very awkward in the class. She felt it very odd in the class, and she had no place to sit because all the seats in the front row were occupied by other students. So naturally she used to sit there. That may be the reason. Now number 3, the time when they thought about Wanda was outside the school hours. In the class hours, nobody noticed her. It was Monday, nobody noticed her. It was Tuesday, again nobody noticed her. Because in the class she hardly spoke, and they noticed Wanda's presence only in the outside school hours, especially during the break time or in the morning or before at the time of going home when the class gets over. At that time, the children used to gather around her and make fun of her. At that time only they used to notice her. But in the class hours, nobody noticed her because she never spoke to anybody else. She hardly spoke. So the time when they means other students thought about Wanda was outside the school hours, in the break time, in the morning, in the time or after class. Sometimes a student waited for Wanda on the way to school to have fun with her. Sometimes the students, they used to wait on the way for Wanda to have fun with her, to make fun of her. So they used to wait on the way sometimes. The next day, it was Tuesday. Monday, nobody noticed, she was absent. It was Tuesday again, next day. Wanda was not in the school, not even in the class. No one noticed her again. Nobody in the class noticed her on Monday and Tuesday. But on Wednesday, on the third day, Peggy and Maddie, that's a short name of Madeline. Her actual name was Madeline, but everybody called her Maddie. Peggy and Maddie did notice that Wanda wasn't there in the class. Peggy and Madeline or Maddie noticed that Wanda is not in the class. It was Wednesday. Why did they notice? Because on that day they waited on the way to have fun with her. And since Wanda did not came, they were late for school. And when they reached school, the classes was going on. And the teacher shouted at them, teacher punished them because they were late in the school for the class. So naturally, that's why they waited and they blamed, oh, it is because of Wanda. We waited on the way and she did not come. So we are late and we are punished. So that's why they noticed. The next day, but on Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie did notice that Wanda wasn't there in the class because they were late for class. Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. Let's talk about Peggy and Maddie. Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. She was beautiful, she was pretty, she was smart. Even she had pretty clothes. Every day she used to change clothes. She had plenty of clothes. And her hair was curly. She was very smart. And Maddie was her closest friend. Madeline was her closest friend. So these two girls always sat together and they used to come and go home together. Come to school together, sit together or go home together after class. So these two girls, they were the first to make fun of Wanda. Especially the Peggy. Since she was a smart, she was also good in studies. But one bad habit, you can say that, one bad habit she had, that she used to make fun of the others. That was not good. But sometimes she used to protect the younger ones also. She used to protect the younger ones. If anyone bullies the younger ones, she used to go and shout at them or fight with them. She used to love the younger ones. But with Wanda, she was quite different. I don't think she did it intentionally, just to pass the time or just to have a fun. She made fun of her. But that was not correct. That was something wrong she did. So now we talked about these 7 points about the 100 dresses, part 1. We have 2 parts. So in our next class we'll continue what happens there after that. Since Wanda is not coming to school, what happens to the Peggy and Madeline, what they think about that, how they used to tease her, we'll talk about that. What Wanda used to feel when the other students made a circle and used to tease her in the break time or in the morning class or morning time or while coming home, while going home or while coming to class in the morning. They used to make fun of her on the way or outside the school compound, or while going home. They used to make fun of her. So what Wanda used to feel, but she never spoke anything. She must be feeling very bad, but she hardly spoke. So that's all for today. We'll continue our lesson in our next class. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Do your regular studies at home. Go through online portal every day so that you will not miss your classes. Thank you for watching.